Samsung is making headlines as it prepares to reintroduce the Exynos chipset to its flagship Galaxy lineup. This move marks a significant shift, with rumors suggesting the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be powered by the Exynos 2500, making it the first clamshell foldable in the series to break away from Qualcomm's Snapdragon dominance. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to retain the trusted Snapdragon 8 Elite, offering a clear distinction between the two foldables. Exynos 2500 in the Galaxy Z Flip 7, a game-changing move. Reports reveal that Samsung is gearing up for the mass production of the Galaxy Z Flip 7, aiming to manufacture 200,000 units by June, ahead of its anticipated July launch. If true, this shift to Exynos would be a cost-saving strategy for Samsung, as the Flip series historically sells in much higher volumes than the Fold series. This decision could also pave the way for new performance benchmarks, with the Exynos 2500 poised to bring advanced features to the Z Flip 7. However, this strategic shift raises questions about whether Samsung can win back users who were previously disappointed by the Exynos experience. Qualcomm Snapdragon for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. While the Galaxy Z Flip May 7 adopt Exynos, reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will retain Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, aligning it with the Galaxy S25 lineup. This move not only ensures top-tier performance for the Fold but also differentiates it from its more compact sibling. Balancing cost and performance. Samsung's decision to split the chipsets between the Flip and Fold models is a calculated one. By equipping its best-selling foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, with Exynos, Samsung can significantly reduce production costs. Meanwhile, the Snapdragon-powered Fold 7 caters to users who demand uncompromised performance, providing a clear upgrade path for those willing to pay more. What lies ahead? With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 set to debut in July, the spotlight is on Samsung's ability to balance innovation with user expectations. Will the return of Exynos reignite trust among consumers, or will it drive Snapdragon loyalists toward the pricier Fold model? One thing is certain,